So in this section, we will learn how to download and install Python on our computer. Well, installing Python is fairly straightforward, and here we will go over the steps for installing it on Windows and Mac operating system. After installing Python, you will also set up your IDE program, which is the integrated development environment that lets you write programs for Python. But if you have Python already installed on your computer, then you can skip this video and jump ahead to the next lecture. So on python.org website, which is the official website for Python, you can go to the download section here, and this button lets you download Python 3.10.5. This is the latest version of Python as of now when recording this tutorial. And however, in the future, yours might be quite different because the maintenance of Python keeps updating to the latest version of Python that allows you to use all the new features. So go ahead and click on the download button to save the software to your file system. And when it's done downloading, open up the file package and follow the instruction to install the software on your computer. And however, if you are on a Windows computer, you can click on the download section here, and instead of Mac, you'll see download Python for Windows operating system. Then click on the download button to also save it to your computer. And when it's done downloading, open up the file and install the package on your Windows machine. And finally, let's actually verify to see if Python has been installed successfully and is actually working fine on our machine. So if you are on a Windows computer, press the window key plus R, then type in CMD, which is short for command prompt, and then press the enter key or the OK button here to open up your terminal window. So here on the terminal window, what I need to do is to type in Python and then press enter. And as you can observe here, Python has been installed and is working perfectly on our Windows machine. So to also verify the installation on a Mac computer, press the command key plus spacebar to open up your Spotlight search, and then type in terminal and press enter to launch the terminal window. And here is my terminal window on a Mac computer. So I'm gonna type in Python 3. This is because the Mac computer comes with Python 2 as default, which is the older version of Python. So instead of using just Python as we did earlier on Windows, we type in Python 3 and then press enter. As you can see on the terminal, we have Python installed successfully on our Mac computer. And however, this is called the Python shell, which is part of the Python integrated development environment. And the three greater than signs here are called the prompts. So let's actually type in an expression like 2 plus 2 and then press enter on your keyboard. So you should see a 4 appear on your window. And also, the prompt should reappear to let you know that Python shell is ready to accept more commands. So in essence, you have given the computer an instruction to execute 2 plus 2, which is an instruction that both you and the computer can understand. So in the next lecture, we are going to see how we can set up our development environment for writing and executing Python code, because we are not going to be building real-world projects and writing so many lines of code on the terminal as we did above. However, we need a code editor to build real-world applications. So I'll see you in the next lecture. Take care.